So hi Mr. Behzad, thank you for giving us the opportunity of letting us come to your office and making us shoot the chandelier which we saw for you. So I just want to ask first that what do you think of doing with this space in your office?
So the whole intent was to have a very Manhattan yet residential looking office. And white and blues primarily are colors that we are using in our branding and all across. So I predominantly wanted a very white looking space and then have a few elements of art. So the whole thing, if you see across our office, there are various elements of art and different models, sculpture, painting. So we thought of why not light as a sculpture piece. So that is how the entire idea started. And we said that we're very transparent as an organization. We're very flexible. So we said that let's have something that's more organic, modern, compared to the clean line structure that we have in the entire office. So that becomes the element in the space, right? So initially the idea started with having a center of attraction piece in the reception. But because of certain services of the building coming across, so then that is why we shifted to this piece of attraction to our breakout zone, where the team not only plays table tennis, but they eat, they have a few discussions that happen there. Then we have our own vending machine there. So it's basically a space for collaboration, a space where we think, eat, and enjoy. So we said that definitely this is the space where this piece should definitely come across, and the whole origami, organic kind of a detail that was there in my mind was beautifully converted into reality by me, my friend Ashwin, especially after a lot of back and forth and bashing with my dear friend Ashwin. Finally, he delivered on our expectations.
Thanks very much. I can see he's clearly delivered. We made this beautiful custom chandelier for you.
Yes.
But let me ask you, did you have any design in mind?
So we had so while we were looking for inspirations for art in our office, and I saw a sculpture. So I gave that reference image of a sculpture to be converted into a line piece. And that is how it translates. So it is actually a vertical sculpture which is done by somebody. And that was then to be translated into something which is horizontal and converted into a line piece.
So now we can see that this line piece is purely blending with the office. So are you happy with the final output that we provided?
I told you earlier I'm extremely happy. In fact, when it came into our office for installation and when we opened the box, I was so thrilled. I even messaged Ashwin that if you were in front of me, then I would have kissed you. So it's come out absolutely beautifully well. And I think that is one of the core strengths of Beeline is to adapt to our understanding of our requirements and to deliver what we visualize. I think that is one of the biggest strengths of Beeline. That's what I personally feel.
I'm very happy to provide you with this site, and we say it goes very well with your office. Your office is very well made, and this just adds a perfect touch to it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.